Hi, me in 10 years. I hope you've made it. I hope you're rich, happy, traveling the world, and living without stress. Don't forget why you started. Those were the words of a younger version of you, filled with dreams, hope, and ambition. You believed that by this time, life would be perfect. You'd have savings stacked high, your business would be thriving, and money would no longer be a worry. But life didn't go exactly as planned, did it? Please don't forget to subscribe somewhere between working long hours, paying bills, and chasing comfort. Those goals started to fade. Maybe you told yourself, I'll start saving later, or I'll invest when I make more. But years slipped away, quietly, and suddenly you realize, time is the one thing you never get back. Every choice you made, every moment you postponed action, shaped the version of you that exists right now. The truth is, wealth isn't built by waiting for the right moment. It's built by starting with what you have, right where you are. If you had started investing even $5 a day 10 years ago, that small decision could have grown into something real. The magic of compound growth rewards consistency, not perfection. But most people underestimate how little habits turn into life-changing results. Financial freedom doesn't come from luck. It comes from discipline, education, and patience. It's about understanding that money is a tool, not the goal. Learn how to use it, multiply it, and make it work while you sleep. Imagine your future self, 10 years from now, watching this moment. Imagine them smiling, saying, "Thank you for not giving up. Thank you for learning how money works. Thank you for choosing growth over excuses." That version of you is possible. The one who owns businesses instead of just working for one. The one who invests instead of only spending. The one who earns while they sleep because they made smart moves when others waited. So here's your message to your future self. Hi, me in 10 years. I finally stopped wishing and started doing. I learned how to save, invest, and create multiple streams of income. I built something that lasts. Because when your future self looks back, they won't thank you for dreaming. They'll thank you for taking action. Your 10-year story begins today. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Today. Start with one small decision. Open that savings account. Invest in that skill. Read that finance book, or start that business. Your future self is already waiting, and they're counting on you to make the move. This isn't just motivation. It's a reminder that every dollar, every habit, every moment counts. 10 years from now, make sure you can proudly say, I did it. Your best investment will always be you, your discipline, your consistency, your courage. The future doesn't belong to those who wait. It belongs to those who act. Hello, me in 10 years. I hope you're watching this from a beach somewhere, or maybe just from a really comfortable chair in a house you own, without a single worry about the next bill. I hope you're not just surviving, but thriving. I'm making this video today as a promise to you, my future self, and as a wake-up call for anyone else who feels like they're running on a treadmill, getting nowhere financially. You know that feeling? You work hard, you get your paycheck, and somehow, by the end of the month, it's all gone. It feels like you're playing a game you can't win. I was there. For years, I told myself, I'll start saving next month, or I'll think about investing when I make more money. But next month never came, and more money just meant more expenses. Procrastination is the thief of financial freedom. It steals your future, one later at a time. The turning point for me wasn't some lottery win or a magic get-rich-quick scheme. It was a simple, almost boring realization. My financial future wasn't going to build itself. It required a decision to stop making excuses and start taking action, no matter how small. It was a mindset shift from a consumer to an owner, from a spender to an investor. This is the millionaire mindset they talk about, but it doesn't start when you have $1 million. It's the very thing that gets you there. It's about changing your financial life by changing your daily habits. So how did I start? It wasn't glamorous. I started by tracking every single penny. I used a simple app, but a notebook works just as well. The goal wasn't to shame myself for buying coffee. It was to understand where my money was actually going. And let me tell you, it was a huge eye-opener. Those small, mindless purchases were adding up to hundreds of dollars a month. That was my aha moment. That was money I could have been putting to work for my future. This is the foundation of financial discipline. It's not about depriving yourself of everything you enjoy. It's about being intentional. It's about asking, does this purchase align with my long-term goals? Once I knew where my money was going, I created a realistic budget. I didn't cut everything out. I just made conscious choices. Maybe it's one less dinner out a month or brewing coffee at home a few times a week. These small changes create a surplus, a gap between what you earn and what you spend. And that gap, that's where the magic begins. That's your seed money for building wealth. Now, saving money is great, but it's only half the battle. If you just let your savings sit in a bank account, inflation will slowly eat away at its value. To truly build long-term wealth, you have to make your money work for you. You have to learn how to invest. And please, don't let that word scare you. I used to think investing was only for rich people in suits. It's not. In 2025, with apps and online platforms, you can start investing with as little as $5 or $10. The most powerful force in the universe, as Einstein supposedly called it, is compound growth. It's the idea of earning returns not just on your initial investment, but on the accumulated returns as well. It's a snowball effect. Your first $10 might only earn a few cents, but those cents start earning their own cents, and over time, that tiny snowball can grow into an avalanche of wealth. The key is starting now. Not tomorrow, not next year. Today. The single biggest advantage you have is time. The longer your money is invested, the more time it has to compound and grow. I started small, with low-cost index funds. It's a simple strategy. Instead of trying to pick winning stocks, you're buying a small piece of the entire market. As the economy grows, so does your investment. It's a fantastic way for beginners to get started. It's investing made simple. Don't chase trends or hot tips. Focus on consistent, long-term investing. The goal isn't to get rich quick, it's to get rich for sure. But let's be realistic. For most of us, just saving and investing from our primary job might not be enough to reach our goals as fast as we'd like. This is where creating multiple income streams comes in. We live in an incredible era of opportunity. The internet has leveled the playing field. Think about what you're good at. What skills do you have? What are you passionate about? Can you write, design, code, teach, or create? There are countless side hustle ideas and online business models you can start in 2025. You could start a blog, a YouTube channel, a print-on-demand store, offer freelance services, or manage social media for small businesses. The goal is to build passive income streams, money that you earn while you sleep. It takes work up front, a lot of it. My first online ventures made pennies, but I didn't give up. I learned, I adapted, and I kept building. Each new stream of income was another shovel digging the foundation of my financial freedom. This journey is about more than just numbers in an account. It's about personal growth. It's about developing self-discipline, resilience, and a mindset of abundance. It's about making your future self proud. Every dollar you save, every investment you make, every new skill you learn is a vote for the person you want to become. It's a message you're sending to your future. So, here's my challenge to you and to myself. Stop procrastinating. Take that first step today. Download a budgeting app. Read a book about personal finance. Open an investment account, even if you just put $10 in it. Brainstorm one side hustle idea. Just do one thing. The journey to wealth creation starts with a single, decisive action. It starts with building the right habits, the ones that build wealth day by day, brick by brick. To the me in 10 years, I hope we did it. I hope we stayed disciplined. I hope we kept learning and growing. I hope we build a life of not just financial wealth, but of freedom, choice, and purpose. And for everyone watching, your future self is waiting. They're counting on you to make the tough choices today so they can live a better life tomorrow. Don't let them down. Start now. Your journey to financial independence begins with the next decision you make. Thank you so much for joining me on this part of my journey. If this message resonated with you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help us all grow together. Let's build our best future, starting today.